Today I'm going to show you unboxing of Huawei Mate 10 Lite. Now you can see this packing. It comes in this packing. It's a very good phone. Okay, let's start opening it. You can use knife cutter over here. Okay, now the mobile phone is sandwiched in between the boxes, and we have over here we have warranty card. It has 1 year warranty. And now we will open this mobile. Okay, now unstrip this polythene. So over at this back side it has the camera, fingerprint sensor, power button, volume up down keys, and front camera. It has sharp edges, as you can see. So let's see what we have over here. Okay, now this is most probably okay. This is I think it look like some. Okay, this is manual. Over here we got this manual. We also have the back cover. Okay, now let's see the what is in this box. This is for extracting the SIM tray and memory card tray. Okay, now we have data cable, charger, 2 ampere charger, and hand freeze. Okay, now we will put this mobile handset into its back cover. Now we will show you the body. And it's very nice, fine, sharp. So this was unboxing.